What's up, Fluff fam? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new and want to be a part of the family, like this video, show the channel some love and subscribe. I'm Fluff, and today I got a shoe unboxing for y'all today. It's about Ugg and it's a house shoe. Let's go ahead and dive into it. As y'all see first, you see the box, Ugg box. You can see a couple of Ugg boxes on my channel now. Got the color, got my size. And let's open it. So when I open it, the shoes is like this up in here. Alright y'all, so this is the side of the shoe. Coming to the front, this is what it looks like. On the front going down, you have like a little, you got a strap going around, and it just says Ugg all the way around. As y'all see, it's enclosed as well. Coming to this side, nothing here. And the inside, you do have Ugg. Make sure you can see that. You do have Ugg. At the bottom, you have Ugg. Nothing else one time. And then do you guys see how like thick this is? Look how thick this is, man. So I got this because I think it's gonna be a real comfortable house shoe. Like I was saying in my previous house shoe vlog, if you've seen those, you can see my previous house shoe vlog, I told y'all the difference between how flat this is and the flat comparison to this. I mean, the comparison with the heel, like this is higher off the ground. So over time, I feel like these will last longer than these. I told y'all if you get these, you want to upgrade these like every 3 months or so. These I think I'll be able to have a little bit longer because they're high off the ground, so my feet not gonna go down to the floor. I don't like flat shoes. Get the other one for y'all. So y'all both the house shoes. Like I say, man, it's just a pair of slippers. So these just for the crib, comfortable at the crib while you at home. I definitely recommend you get a pair of these, man. These are really comfortable, so I recommend them for houseware for sure. Really able to review portion of this. I'm finna get into a on feet. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at FlymanB on Snapchat. Make sure y'all take care of yourselves, and I'm gonna get with y'all next video. Be smooth.